Alright, so this is one of my front brake calipers, and the threads in there are a little stripped out. So even if I put a bolt in, you can, if you screw it in, you can just pull it right out just by wiggling it. So we're going to try and fix that with a helicoil. So we just drilled out this hole here, and it's smooth. New threads are cut. I'll clean up those shavings a little bit and dry that off. All right, we got the helicoil here. We're going to put a little thread lock on it. That'll actually spread around when we screw it in. And we're going to want to screw this in just till it's below the surface. So it's screwing in nicely into our new threads. Alright, it's about flush there now. Just going to go a little bit below flush. Right there. Back. Like that, and that breaks the little tang off the back. That means that should be ready to receive a bolt. I'll just give it a quick try. And the bolt screws in there nicely. Very good.